Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Welcome to 2023. Hope everyone had a wonderful holiday season. So today I'm going to be doing a swipe on a 15-inch wood round. Now, this swipe that I'm going to be doing will be done with, my swipe color will be titanium white, which is mixed with Floetrol. I'll lay my colors out. I'll take a little bit of titanium white and Floetrol mixed together, put it on the back of my swipe tool, and then I'll run them very lightly over the colors. And then you'll see the end result. All the colors that I'll be using today will be in the description below. And this is a very short video. It's less than 5 minutes long. So if you can watch it to the end, I will really appreciate it. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what we do.